Oh, hey, good morning. How'd you sleep? Me, not so much. I had a weird, crazy dream that Glitter Forever 17 cut off her ear for a collab. I don't want to get into it. Anyways, it's morning time here at the ThreadBanger household. As you can see, I'm in my robe, the official Czar robe. Corinne got this for me as a housewarming present. But before we get started, let's see what's going on out here. Right. God damn it. This is where I like to get my first glimpse of the morning. Oh, hey kitty, how's it going? Good morning. How are you? You doing all right out here? Chasing squirrels, birds? What are you doing? Yeah, listen to those morning sounds, huh? Oh yeah, that's nice. Listen to this morning voice, huh? Oh, and then these motherfuckers, they got chickens over there in their yard. Yeah, I guess that's what you get for living in the mountains of North Carolina. Your neighbors, they just get to raise poultry. Fucking chickens. Kitty, how'd you sleep? Yeah, you're still tired too, I see. You're probably wondering why I invited you over this morning, and it's simple. Breakfast is the most important part of the goddamn day. And I saw this on the internet the other day. Everyone's going crazy over these fucking cloud eggs. So I decide, hey, I got some eggs in here somewhere. Let's make some cloud eggs this morning. Me and you, huh? Even better. You know, it's my job to figure out how to make things a little bit cooler, so this morning we're gonna be making unicorn cloud eggs, right? Everybody still into that unicorn bullshit? I don't know. We're gonna find out. But before any of that starts, we gotta get some fucking coffee. Jesus Christ. Well, let's get started, shall we? Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Whew. While we're at it, why don't we get a little bit of news for today? Hey Alexa, play the news.
Here's your flash briefing.
See what's going on today.
A new medical study on the effects of marijuana use confirms that everyone knows you're high and that you'll most likely never stop feeling like this.
What the fuck? Step one, get your eggs here. Oh, what the fuck? Where are the goddamn eggs? Fucking tortillas? Cheese? Lemons? Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh, I'm not going to the store in my robe. I'm gonna have to sneak on over to the neighbor's house and get some eggs from them. Son of a bitch. Ugh, so bright out here. God damn it. I hear them every morning. I think they're over in this direction. Somewhere over here. Ugh. I gotta cut the goddamn grass out here. Jesus Christ. All right. I'm coming, chickens. Ugh, good God. I hear them. They're right through there. Oh, Jesus. What is this place? Hold on, I hear him. I hear him. I think I'm right up here. Oh, there you are. I see you back there. All right, here we go. Here we go. Yeah, chickies. You guys got any eggs? Shh, quiet. Okay. Hey, good morning. You the guys making all this fucking noise in the morning? Jesus Christ. All right, we have found the chickens. Everybody, just calm down. Be very quiet. You especially. Shh. Hey, chicky. Oh yeah, look at all these, huh? Just gonna grab a couple of these over here. Don't mind me. Ooh, that one's warm. All right, can I get this one? Yeah, hi. Okay, you're a nice chicken. Okay, get a couple more here. Oh yeah, all right, I hear you. I know. I'll be out of here in a minute. All right, okay, just relax. Got it. This should be plenty. Cloud eggs coming up. You ever had a cloud egg before? Huh? All right, mission accomplished.
Hey, what the hell are you guys doing in my home?
Go. Which way is it? This way. Oh God. Back to the house. Okay. Whew. All right, we got them. Oh, that's one way to get your eggs in the morning. Huh? Look at that. We got some eggs fresh from the rooster's ass. All right, let's make some fucking cloud eggs. Let's turn the stove on here, 400 degrees, get that going. Boom. Now this is the fancy way that you crack eggs. The ladies, they fucking go crazy over this. It's the one-handed egg crack. You do a little bit of this, crack it around the sides, and then one hand, the split. Huh? No shell, no nothing in there. Do another one of these here. Crackety crack, don't talk back. Boom. Fucking expert over here. Super easy way to remove the yolks out of the bowl. Check this out. You take an old water bottle, you squeeze it, and then watch this. Bloop. Huh? How fucking crazy is that? Ugh, that's gross. Oh yeah, make sure you get the rest of that dead fetus membrane out of here. You want to save these yolks, so you just plop those, boom, back into another bowl. Gross.
What are you doing in here? It's too early. Make it
Hey, good morning. Look who it is. Oh, good morning, my love. I'm making breakfast for us.
What are you making?
I'm making cloud eggs.
What the is a cloud egg?
Oh, you're gonna find out.
Do we have coffee?
Coffee right here. Boom.
I'm going to the gym.
Oh, she's going to the gym. Well, I think you're gonna probably miss out on these cloud eggs.
Well, hopefully they're done by the time I get back. I know how long it takes you.
No, it takes like 10 minutes to make these things.
I've heard that before.
All right, so this is what we're looking at down here. We got 2 eggs in each one of these things, and now we're just gonna take our neon food coloring over here, and we're gonna make these motherfuckers unicorn. All right, next step, you're gonna need one of these things, a blender doohickey. Here we go. So from what I read, you do this for about 2 or 3 minutes until some large peaks form, I think. I'm not sure what that means. Before any of you can judge me in the comments, I forgot to put in salt and pepper like an asshole. You gotta season your eggs, people. Boom, tasty eggs. Oh yeah, look at that. Those are some peaks and valleys, I think. All right, last but not least, we got the purple one over here. Check this one out. Oh yeah. Get in there, get in there. This is looking fucking gross as shit. All right, now you get yourself a baking tray, put some aluminum foil on top, grab some cooking spray, then you scoop out the eggs and you put them on there, just like that. And apparently you make like a little pocket in the middle for the yolk. Let's get some of this here. Look at that fucking cloud of bullshit. I'm running out of room here. Hold on, I'm getting another tray ready over here. All right, I gotta hurry up here. Corinne's gonna be back from the gym any moment. Oh yeah, boom. Now since we got some left in each bowl, I'm gonna make maybe just like a whole hodgepodge of them. How about that? Yeah. Now we're talking. Get a whole little smorgasbord. Smorgasbord. Do you even know what that word means? Do I even know what that word means? All right, DIY cloud eggs going in. Oh yeah. You ready for this? We gotta put 4 minutes on the counter here at 400 degrees. All right, the countdown begins.
A few moments later.
Oh, okay. All right, I'm coming. Okay, all right. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, all right, they're ready. Let's see what these things look like. Oh, shit. Oh, damn, look at these. Oh, I like that one the best. Now you take the yolk, you put it right on top here. Boom. Fucking unicorn cloud eggs. All right, throw these in for another 4 minutes.
You ready?
Hey, look who's back from the gym. Oh, you look all sorts of worked out.
Yeah, I've been gone for an hour and a half. I thought they'd be ready by now.
Whoa, where were you going? Breakfast is almost ready. Taking the cat for a walk.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be any minute.
No, I know.
Well, you know what then? It's just you and me for breakfast, huh? Just hanging out like the old days. Oh shit. Here's the countdown. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the eggs are finished dance. Okay, all right, got it. Thank you, got it. Okay, Christ. You ready? Here it is. Oh, damn, dog. Here we are. Oh, yeah, we did it. Look at that. That's the unicorn egg right there. Imagine having that for breakfast. All right, eggs up. Oh, shit, yeah. That's the thumbnail right there. We did it. Holy shit. Unicorn cloud eggs, everybody. God damn it. Breakfast the champions. Yo, you know what? I forgot all about the goddamn bacon. Wait, does any of my neighbors have any pigs? No?
You're not killing pigs today.
All right. Microwave bacon. How about that? Boom. Well, let's get this breakfast started. Who wants some eggs? Look at that. If this was any cloudier, this would just be fucking floating in the air. All right, hold on. Here we go. Huh, it's like a foamy egg. It's not bad, to be honest. It's not bad at all. This is fucking delicious, actually. Holy shit. You get that yolk in there? Just stuck in your teeth a little bit, though. A little bacon. Oh, this is some delicious shit right here. Oh, it's good with some orange juice.
Why are you drinking from the fucking bottle?
What?
That's not just your orange juice.
It is now.
God damn it.
Oh, wait. I didn't even give you any. Hold on. Take a little nibble of that, huh? Fucking delicious. You gotta taste these. You gotta take a bite. Just take a bite. Here we go, folks.
It's weird.
Yeah, it's like a foamy, airy egg.
You seasoned it well.
Oh shit, she's going back in for a second bite. That means she likes it.
Pretty good, actually.
I know. Well, that's just because I'm an excellent chef. That one just came out of nowhere. Boom. That's it. I mean, the fucking consensus is in. Corinne likes it. This is gonna be a new fucking Instagram trend. We just started the next fucking huge food trend. You see that popping off all over the internet? Mine, right here. ThreadBanger started the unicorn cloud egg sensation, which will soon be sweeping the fucking nation. Oh, you know what? Fuck. Galaxy cloud eggs, huh?
That would be something.
I know.
You didn't give Kitty any. She wants some.
Okay, want some. Here, you ready? Cloud eggs. Check these out. What do you think? No? Eat the fucking eggs. God damn it. All right. I really appreciate you joining us for breakfast. If you try these, let me know. Take a picture of them, snap them up, throw them at Instagram. ThreadBanger Studios is our handle over there. And if you see anyone else fucking copying this recipe, you tell me, because I'm putting a copyright on this shit right now. So you don't fucking steal my egg recipes. Or what do you?
Literally every project you have done has been you stealing somebody else's project, so.
Do me a favor, like up this video, subscribe if you haven't done that already. We're close to 4 million subscribers. We've been close to 4 million subscribers for like a year. Hit that bell notification thing and all that bullshit. And I'll see you around here next time. Maybe for lunch, maybe for a man versus dinner. Who knows? We'll see you then.